Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Furniture channel. Today I am going to teach about Figma, which is very famous tool for a UI UX designer. So first I am going to go to the respective website. Your login where you are along with your username and password, your Gmail account credential. Okay, uh, when you open the Figma, it asks to login. You can log in via your Gmail credential, Gmail username and password. Okay, and that's how I have login. So here, what you're going to do is I'm going to go to first. I'm going to go to create a new project. Or here create a project. Okay, so here what you're going to see this my all the projects are there. Okay, so I'm going to create design. Click design. Here go over here. Okay, it takes some time to open. It depends on your internet connection, internet speed. Right, my internet speed is not that much speed, so that's why here this is the simple. It's a blank. There is no workspace. Okay, so if it is a Photoshop or Illustrator or any other graphic software, there will be the interface. So here we don't have an interface. Instead of here, this is a frame. It's called as frame. If you click on that frame, it's a frame, right? So we have little will be learned. So here now today I'm going to teach about the mask thing. So the mask, how to implement this one here is, so first I'm going to drag one picture. First I'm going to drag the picture. Okay, what's we have to going to drag the picture. What's the picture we need? We have to drag it. So what you're going to do is I'm going to drag this picture. This hotel picture I'm going to drag this picture. So what you're going to do is I'm going to drag it. So this is a picture. So this picture I'm going to alt on the shift and alt down, and you have to reduce the size of the photo like this. Alt plus shift plus you have to click on this mouse. You have to click on the mouse the corner point of the image. You can click on the top left corner or top left corner or bottom right or bottom left. You can just click on that corner point and you can hold on the shift and alt key, and you can adjust the increase the size and decrease the size, increase and decrease the size. Look like this. Okay, simple. Okay, the space bar it which will be helpful to we have to fix the size of the workspace. Okay, right. So now what you're going to do, see, I want to do the mask. So mask, simply this is your photo. I'm going to draw the object. Okay, this is the object. Click on this. I want to do the ellipse. Click on this ellipse. Hold on the shift key down and you have to draw it. Then only you have to draw the ellipse tool professionally. Hold on the shift key and drag it. Right. Now you can see. Now we're having a. This is your object. This is your image. So this is your image. This is your object. Now what you're going to do is this image, you can go your left, on your left corner, you can say left side. Your left side, you can see here, there should be the layer panel. The layer panel, first one is a ellipse, second one is a image. This image I want to drag above the ellipse. Okay, drag above the ellipse. Now you can see the if you click on this layer of the ellipse here, you can see where your ellipse is there. So I want to highlight this here. I want to mask this point. So how to mask it? Simply, what you're going to do is you have to select this for this one. Now you can select this ellipse tool and hold on the shift key down and select the image. Okay. Now right click. Select the photo. You can right click. Here, there is an option called mask. Here, use mask. The shortcut key will be Control plus Alt plus A. Click on that. Use masking. Simply we have masking. Very simple. Now you can adjust it where you need here. You can adjust the point where you need the image here. This is a mask. After mask it, what you're going to do, you have to select all this one. I need this one. Right click. You have a group selection. That's it. Now you can bring that object anywhere of the screen. This is how we have to do the simple stuff we have to achieve the mask. Very simple. Right? Thank you for watching.